Now comparisons. What are comparisons? Now we'll start with comparatives. Look at these two examples. Renu is taller than her sister. Tall is the adjective and taller is the comparative form of tall. Puneet is more intelligent than Kapil. Intelligent is the adjective and more is added to make it comparative. Taller and more intelligent are comparative forms. Now, how the comparatives are formed? Formation of comparative forms. Comparatives are formed by adding er or more. For example, tall, taller, small, smaller, big, bigger. So, these are formed by adding er. And more intelligent, more comfortable. So, more expansive, so they can be found by adding more and er to the adjectives. With short words we use er, with comparatively long words we use more. In case of some words we have to remember the comparative forms: big, bigger; good, better, it is a little different; comfortable, more comfortable; bad, worse; far, farther; much, many, more. We use comparative. Where do we use the comparative? When we are comparing two things. We use comparatives to compare two things. We may mention both the things, but we may mention one and the other may be understood. After comparatives, we often use than. Could you speak a bit faster? Could you speak a bit louder? You can walk faster than me. You can speak more loudly than I can. Now, exercise number 1. Complete these sentences using a comparative form. This essay isn't very good. I am sure you can write a good, better one. So, complete these exercises. These sentences, 7 sentences. Read these situations, then complete the sentences using a comparative form. Yajan came at 6 o'clock. Rachit came at 6:30. Rachit came later than Yajan. Later means बाद में आए. Now oranges are rupees 48 a dozen. Bananas are rupees 36 a dozen. So what will be the sentence? Oranges are costlier than bananas. So you have to complete these sentences. Now we can use these words before comparisons: much, a lot, a bit, a little, slightly. Slightly means very little. It is much cheaper to travel by train than air. Staying at a 5-star hotel is a lot more expensive than staying at a resort. I am tired. Could you walk a little more slowly? So these are when they are added: much, a lot, a little, it is added to them. Now exercise 3. Look at these pictures and complete them with the comparative forms. Now exercise number 4. Look at this table showing details about two classmates, Preeti and Nidhi. Height 150 cm, Nidhi 152, Preeti 150. Weight: Preeti 34 kg, Nidhi 34.5 kg. Age 13 years 6 months, 13 years 3 months. Members in the family 4, 6. Marks in the last examination 94%, 83%. Now you have to fill in the blanks with suitable comparative forms, and we can use add words like a little, a bit, slightly. So this exercise is to be completed. Now look at the use of comparatives in these sentences. The faster you walk, comma, the sooner you get tired. The more I sleep, the lazier I feel. We use the with two comparatives, then one thing is directly related to other. जब एक चीज़ दूसरे से, when it is related to other, so we use two comparatives. The slower you write, the fewer mistakes you make. Now you have to complete these sentences. The longer I had to wait, the more angry I became. So these 5 sentences you have to do.